Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to learn chapter 5 sorting multiple choice questions. Let us begin with question number 1. Which of the following sorting techniques is based on repeatedly comparing adjacent elements and swapping them if they are in the wrong order? Option A, selection sort. B, bubble sort. C, insertion sort. D, merge sort. So here option B, bubble sort is the right answer. Question number 2. What is the time complexity of bubble sort in the worst case scenario? Option A, 0 of n. B, 0 of log n. C, 0 of n square. D, 0 of n log n. So here option C, 0 of n square is the right answer. Question number 3. Which of the following best describes the logic of the bubble sort algorithm? Option A, select the smallest element and place it in the beginning. Option B, insert the current element into its correct position in a sorted list. C, swap adjacent elements until the largest reaches the end. D, divide the list and merge sorted parts. So here option C, swap adjacent elements until the largest reaches the end is the right answer. Question number 4. How many passes are required to sort a list of 6 elements using bubble sort? Option A, 5. B, 6. C, 4. D, 3. So here option A, 5 is the right answer. Question number 5. Which sorting technique finds the smallest element in the list and places it in its correct position? Option A, insertion sort. B, bubble sort. C, selection sort. D, quick sort. So here option C, selection sort is the right answer. Question number 6. In selection sort, after the first pass, the first element of the list is option A, the largest element. B, the average of the list. C, the smallest element. D, unchanged. Here option C, the smallest element is the right answer. Question number 7. What is the time complexity of selection sort in the best case? Option A, 0 of n log n. B, 0 of n square. C, 0 of n. D, 0 of log n. Here option B, 0 of n square is the right answer. Question number 8. Which sorting technique is best described as a sorted list is built one element at a time? Option A, merge sort. B, insertion sort. C, bubble sort. D, selection sort. So here option B, insertion sort is the right answer. Question number 9. In insertion sort, which of the following is true about the sorted portion of the list? Option A, it increases in size. B, it is built from left to right. C, it always remains constant. D, it is sorted in reverse order. So here option B, it is built from left to right is the correct answer. Question number 10. What is the best case time complexity of insertion sort? Option A, 0 n log n. B, 0 n. C, 0 n square. D, 0 of 1. So here option B, 0 of n is the right answer. Question number 11. Which sorting algorithm is generally better for nearly sorted data? Option A, selection sort. B, bubble sort. C, insertion sort. D, heap sort. So here option C, insertion sort is the right answer. Question number 12. In bubble sort, which element reaches its correct position after the first pass? Option A, the smallest element. B, the middle element. C, the largest element. D, the second largest element. Here option C, the largest element is the right answer. Question number 13. Which sorting algorithm swaps elements only when necessary and avoids unnecessary movements? Option A, bubble sort. B, insertion sort. C, selection sort. D, none of the above. So here option C, selection sort is the right answer. Question number 14. Which of the following algorithms uses a temporary variable during swapping? Option A, bubble sort, B, selection sort, C, insertion sort, D, all of the above. So here option D, all of the above is the right answer. Question number 15. Which sort algorithm is not efficient for large data sets? Option A, quicksort, B, insertion sort, C, merge sort, D, heap sort. So here option B, insertion sort is the right answer. Question number 16. In the insertion sort algorithm, when is shifting required? Option A, when the current element is greater than the previous one. B, when the current element is smaller than the element in the sorted list. C, when elements are equal. D, always. So here option B, when the current element is smaller than the element in the sorted list is the correct answer. Question number 17. The number of comparisons in the worst case of bubble sort is option A, n, B, n minus 1, option C, n into n minus 1 by 2, D, log n. Here option C, n into n minus 1 by 2 is the right answer. Question number 18. Which sorting algorithm is described using the following pseudocode? So here pseudocode they have given, and you can observe that we have got this condition. So this condition always represent it is a bubble sort. So here they have given options A, insertion sort, bubble sort, selection sort, and quick sort. Here option B, bubble sort is the right answer. Question number 19. Which sorting method has the same time complexity in best, average, and worst cases? Option A, selection sort, B, insertion sort, C, merge sort, D, bubble sort. Here option A, selection sort is the right answer. Question number 20. In selection sort, if the minimum element is already at its correct position, what happens? Option A, the list is reversed. B, the algorithm stops. C, no swap is made. D, swap still happens. Here option C, no swap is made is the right answer. Question number 21. Assertion A, bubble sort repeatedly swaps adjacent elements if they are in the wrong order. So this statement is true. Reason R, bubble sort pushes the smallest element to the end in each pass. So this statement is false. So here you can observe option C, A is true but R is false is the right answer. Question number 22. Assertion A, in selection sort, the smallest element is selected in each pass and placed in its correct position. So this statement is true. Reason R, selection sort uses repeated shifting of elements to sort the list. So this statement is false. So hence you can observe here option C, A is true but R is false is the right answer. Question number 23. Assertion A, insertion sort is efficient for nearly sorted list. Here this statement is true. Reason R, in the best case, the time complexity of insertion sort is 0 of n. So this statement is also true. Hence option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A is the right answer. Question number 24. Assertion A, selection sort is a stable sorting algorithm. Here you can observe that this particular statement is false. Reason R, selection sort preserves the order of identical elements. Here this statement is also false. You can observe that option D, both A and R are false is the right answer. Question number 25. Assertion A, insertion sort builds the final sorted list one item at a time. So here this statement is true. Reason R, it inserts each new element at the beginning of the list. So this statement is false. So here option C, A is true but R is false is the right answer. Question number 26. Assertion A, bubble sort can be optimized to stop early if no swaps are made during a pass. This statement is true. Reason R, this optimization improves its best case time complexity to 0 of n. This statement is also true. Hence, option A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A is the right answer. Question number 27. Assertion A, in bubble sort, every pair of adjacent elements is compared in each pass. This statement is true. Reason are, the number of comparisons increases with each pass. So this statement is false, as the number of comparisons will reduce. Hence, this statement is false. So here option C, A is true but R is false is the right answer. Question number 28. Assertion A, in selection sort, the number of comparisons is always the same regardless of the input order. This statement is true. Reason are, selection sort has a time complexity of 0 of n square for all cases. So this statement is also true. So hence option A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A is the right answer. Question number 29. Assertion A, in insertion sort, shifting elements is necessary to maintain the sorted portion of the list. This statement is true. Reason are, elements are shifted right to make space for the current element. Here this statement is also true. Hence option A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A is the right answer. Question number 30. Assertion A, all three sorting techniques, bubble, selection, insertion, have a worst case time complexity of 0 of n square. So this statement is true. Reason are, they all use nested loops with 2 iterations each. This statement is also true. Hence option A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. I hope you understood all these questions with their answers. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. If you want to check out these questions, then the link is given in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and we'll see you in the next video.